This is a video about how to operate an EDCO Scarifier. Now this is an 8-inch model, otherwise known as the Crete plane. They're designed to take fractions of an inch of concrete off of the surface. So on this particular model, we've got a Honda engine, okay, standard Honda engine with the off-on switch and the choke lever right down here. We also have a height adjuster here, up and down. A throttle adjustment right here. You can control the speed of the engine. And on this side here is an engagement lever. You push that forward, you'll start scarifying. So what you do with this machine is you'll end up pushing it forward on the concrete. Set the height or depth that you want it to cut, no more than 1/8 of an inch at a time. Once you start it up, you'll slowly engage the lever. The teeth underneath will make contact with the concrete, and you can work it back and forth to remove the concrete from the surface. All right, let's fire this puppy up. We've got a remote off-on switch here. Make sure you turn that on. Our lever's disengaged as we start it. Turn your Honda off-on switch on here and your choke lever. Give it a pull. Take the choke off. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the deck down by engaging the lever and then adjust my height. Maybe go down 1.5. Got to be careful not to bite off too much at once. That's how you operate an EDCO Scarifier.
Northside Tool Rental. Get it right the first time.